Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome today. On Sunday. Yes, it's today, Sunday. We have no newspaper on Sunday, but this additional is in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, May the 20th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have 0 stars, the Sudoku. We have a Sudoku with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Well, why? Otherwise, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. So 4 puzzles I will solve in this additional. In the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Let me start with this one. Sudoku with 1 star. Well, actually, it has 28 printed digits. This one has 28, but also that one has also 28. But let me give this a 1 star. And this one will be number 6466. All right. So let's get started. A lot of ones. Let me start with 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. Alright. How about the 8 in this row? The 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. I see a 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column. So no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. It should be there. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. And 5, 5. Interesting. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. Alright. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. I'm thinking. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Well, now I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. 6, 6. 6, 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We share 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait again. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair now. 3 and a 4 in the first row. 3 and a 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 9. Well, how about the number 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 4, 4. And we have a pair, I believe. No. No. 2, 3, and the 4. 4, 4. 2, 3. Let me think. 2, 9, and this. Yeah, 6. No. 9, 7, and a 2. 3 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So 1 digit left in the third column for number the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Wait, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So 1 number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. Alright. Okay. 6, 6. 8, 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. And 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. You see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, yeah. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Right, and then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the row above, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Right, how about the 5 then? 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. This box is occupied, reserved for the 3 and the 4. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 5, alright. How about 8, 7, 9. I'm thinking. 2, 9, and a 7. Yeah. 2, 2. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Alright. So here we have 2 and a 9. Need a 7 there. How about these 3 missing number 2, 9, 7. 2, 9, 7. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in this row, last row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 1 star. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.